Hey you guys, we have an exciting video today. I'm going to give you a sneak peek of the light fixtures that I selected for our remodel home. There's so much good stuff in here, so stay tuned for more. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when our next video is live. We've got full room reveals coming soon, which are going to be really cool. Don't want you to miss it. And today I'm going to be focusing on the lighting fixtures that I selected for this home. If you followed me for long, you know how much I love lighting. It's the thing that changes the home, I think, the most, and one of the simplest fixes, and so I wanted to really make a big impact in this house with the lighting. I wanted something that's modern, unique, and classic all in one, which is why I partnered with Generation Lighting. They have some of my favorite fixtures ever, and you will see how gorgeous and wonderful the scale is too. So much good stuff coming your way. Let's take a look. Starting in the primary bathroom, we used the coolest fixture. This is Generation Lighting's Melita 8-light chandelier, and I did the midnight black finish. It also comes in a satin brass if you wanted to do that. I love the mix here with that frosted glass detail. They're kind of like suspended little pieces of round glass that go all the way around, and it just gives the most amazing detail here. In the primary bedroom, I wanted something really timeless and simple and sleek. This was the perfect solution. I love the finish, which is iron oxide, kind of in those black tones still. I really carried that throughout the home, as you'll see. And the size on this one is amazing. It's a large room, so we wanted a good sized chandelier to give off lots of light and to fill the space. It's about 41 inches on this one, so it's a great size, and I just love the simplicity, and I feel like this will be such a timeless statement for years to come. How amazing is the linear chandelier in the dining room? I love this. It's got a great scale to it, but it's also very minimalist and open framed so that it's not too bulky or overpowering. It's just the right size and detail for the space. It's in the aged iron. Again, most of these finishes kind of have like a matte black look to them, but they are named differently. They have slight differences, but they all look so good together. And the nook over there right next to the dining room, right between the kitchen and the primary bedroom, was kind of an awkward space before, and it didn't have a hanging fixture, but I wanted to bring some interest there, and this pendant was just the right thing, I think. In the laundry room, we also have a fixture which is a semi-flush mount and still brings a whole lot of detail to the space. This one comes in 2 different sizes, so it's really nice because you can, if you have different spaces throughout your home and you want to use these, you can use whichever fits best for different spaces. If you want the smaller or the larger, this is the larger size one because I wanted a little bit more, a little more of a statement in there, and it turned out so cute. On to my very favorite, I think. I love all of these fixtures, but I think my very favorite might be this one in the family room. The simple lines of the Bayview chandelier are just amazing to me. I love the modern, clean aesthetic that it has, and I think it just works so well with the other fixtures in the space, and I can't wait until you get to see all of that. It is really just such a great size too. We wanted a large size again for the tall ceilings, and with the beam, it just worked out so beautifully. Hopefully you enjoyed taking a little look at the lighting. Again, we have the full room reveals for those spaces coming soon, but I wanted to give you a look at what's to come. Again, thank you to Generation Lighting for working with me on this project. I'm so excited that we were able to use these fixtures. They look perfect in the home, and you can head over to my blog, designlovesdetail.com. I'll put the link in the description as well, so you can see the full lighting design boards and how I put these together and really made a whole cohesive feel for the lighting plan in this home. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of when our next video is live.